All right, if you are on TikTok, I know you saw these two. These are from Maybelline, and it is the Superstay Teddy Tint. I have been waiting for these to launch in the US for months now. They originally launched, I believe, in Asia. That's kind of where we got like the teasers. And first of all, the packaging is adorable. It's like puffy, sort of like pillowy, and they have nice range of colors, really nice. Anyway, I got these two. These were the ones that kind of caught my attention. I kind of wanted to go with something I knew that I would use and like kind of fall winter vibes. So I have Wild at Heart and I have Mascara Tear. So let's open these up. All right, I did watch some reviews on TikTok and I will say this, and you guys can agree with me or not. Everybody that got it sent to them, for the most part, loves it. Right? Like everybody loves it. And I'm for like when something is good, like I want it to be good and I want to believe when somebody says that it's good. And then I started seeing a couple of reviews of people that actually bought them, and some love it and some were kind of complaining that it was like the formula wasn't consistent or anything like that. We'll see. We'll try it. But I'm very curious. I feel like it's going to be a good thing. I feel like Maybelline always kills it with their lip products, but we'll see. We'll form our own opinion. All right, this is what is it? Mascara Tear. So these are blurring lipsticks. So very much kind of like, if you are familiar with like Asian beauty, Korean beauty, like their lipsticks are very blurring, soft. That's like the vibe. Okay, I want to put this on my cheek as a blush so freaking bad, and I think we're gonna try that. All right, that's Mascara Tear. Oh, it smells good. What it's like I don't know why, to me it kind of smells like apples. That could just be me. This is Wild at Heart. This color is beautiful. This one right here. And if anybody asks me what my nail polish is, it's another Urban Outfitters nail polish. This one's called That's Hot. That's Wild at Heart. And Mascara Tear. Mascara Tear. So these, supposedly, when they dry down, are transfer proof. So I'm gonna try to kind of go like this and see if it does transfer. Obviously the Mascara Tear's been on my hand the longest, so we'll do that one first. I guess it needs to set longer because it transferred. Let's try the other one. Just wanted to show you that my skin is touching and it transferred. So that's one of the things that I saw. Some people were like, it's not transferring, and then other people were like, it's transferring. So to me, honestly, it doesn't matter if it really transfers. That's just me. It's not a deal breaker for me. If it's a nice formula, I'm still gonna like it. Oh no. I had to switch out my battery because my camera's about to die. All right, so Wild at Heart, let's do that one first. Just gonna grab my mirror. I almost feel like to get that like really blurred effect, we have to blend with our finger. I think with the applicator, it almost puts the lip on like too perfect. This color's really pretty. Wild at Heart is beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna do it because I'm curious. I'm gonna take some on the back, well, the palm of my hand. I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna pop some on my cheek and see what happens. So I have a feeling in the near future, they're gonna end up making something like this into blushes. That's really pretty. All right, I like it, I dig it. I'm gonna take this off before it totally sets. Okay, and Mascara Tear. Let's take that one. So see, like if you use the brush, the wand, you can get a nice crisp line. But when you're doing like these blurry kind of lips, I almost feel like you have to soften the edges because that's kind of the whole point about it being blurry. This one's pretty too. If you have dry lips though, watch out because it will kind of call you out on it. My lips are definitely on the drier side, and you can see that here. So just make sure that you are hydrating your lips. And I'm curious about this color on my other cheek, so we're gonna try it real quick. Oh, that's beautiful. Even though it's like a brownie kind of color, it gives like this really pretty warmth. Super pretty. This color definitely surprised me, the Mascara Tear. I was like, oh, it's definitely like a brown color, but it's nice. It's very like fall vibes. I really, really like Wild at Heart. I feel like that kind of brightened up my face. So as far as like, okay, now these have been on my hand for a while now. So I'm like, where do I, okay, I'm gonna go like this. It's still, if I'm putting pressure, it still transfers. Like I said, not a deal breaker for me. It does feel nice. It's pigmented. It slides across the lips really nice. I like it. I think these are definitely, I can see why like they're so hyped up because the hype is real. So yeah, as long as like the transferring of the lips doesn't bother you, I think you're gonna like these. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I will see you in my next one. Bye.